Oh, here we go. Tis the season. Oh, roots I had to cut out. I ended up keeping them. Make some out of that one. This is a deck I remember, I think. Oh, yeah. Trying to get them seeds started. I'm like a week or two behind. And the best thing to put them in is one of these clear. These are cool, yeah, whatever. Then you gotta cover them. Or you gotta buy the ones you gotta cover. The clear egg cartons is just like that, but with a cover. Just got 2 covers. It's really these are what I got right here. Keep me a few of these. Let's see what 4 by 6, 24. Fill that up with dirt. And a cover, if the seed pop out, I'm ready to transfer. I got me some lemon seeds. Check out my organic lemons. I never did a corn, never carrot yet. I always do tomato, cucumber. I'm trying for watermelon. I'm gonna be warming up here. I always get no herbs, no basil, oregano, lavender. Thyme. I be aiming for the lettuce. That ain't working out. I'm gonna get it though. And I'm gonna do a greenhouse eventually. Once more lettuce. I get some more stuff. I'm gonna expand, but this is what I started with. During the pandemic, I was I'm gonna learn something sitting in the house. This is one of them. How to grow food. Cause all that food be so processed and fake and bullshit. Even when you try to eat healthy, it's still processed. If it has to travel, they gotta put something on it. They gotta spray it. So